What's up, guys?
What's up?
Alright, so we're here in Voyages, Nevada. Hopefully you can hear me without the crazy wind. Every time that I try to go live with this camera, the wind picks up. Alright, so we're in Voyages, Nevada right now, and we're doing an investigation, a little overnight investigation at one of the hotels here. So we decided to stop at the famous Boot Hill Cemetery here in Voyages. Let me read this sign here to you real quick. So this is the Boot Hill Cemetery. Crime was rampant in the Voyages in the early 1870s during the first few years of Voyages' boom days. It was said that 72 men were buried with their boots on before anyone died of natural causes. Many of these men are buried in the old Boot Hill Cemetery. All right, so basically there were 72 men that were killed, that were basically murdered here before anyone died of natural causes. That's wild. And we're here at this cemetery, this old 1800 cemetery right now. And let's see if we can get anything to come through. Hopefully you can hear the audio.
I
Praying
hope so.
that you can. So let's go in here and see what we can get real quick.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, so these are the old graves all up through here. And these are more modern. Up there you can tell.
Some are new on this side, I believe.
What does this say here? So you have to help me read some of these here. You got your glasses.
Harry Gorman.
Harry.
September 20th, I believe, 1870, killed by George Hirsch. Yeah.
So a lot of these men were killed out here in the streets.
They all got their boots there. Their little boots there.
Yep, got little boots.
And what's this one? Shot by, I can't even see it on this side.
So 1873, July 6th.
Shot during a dispute over a dog.
Yep, shot during a dispute over a dog, right there. The animals can be like family. John Vest, June 26, 1875, shot by officers 5 times. Shot by officers 5 times.
I think that's the one, the most famous one or something, that he went on a rampage killing people and stuff like that. I think that's the one that we're talking about before on some documentary.
So you see these cables right here. Those are old mining buckets that are attached to them. You can see right there. You can find it right there. Now that went all the way up the mountain there, all the way up top. And they would bring down what they're mining. Those cables.
This one's on the opposite side.
All the way down through there.
Because it's a woman.
It's a woman?
It's a woman. Fanny.
Did it say anything about her?
No, it's, you could barely see it. I mean, I can't really see what it says on the board there. But Fanny.
Alright, so they had a woman buried here. She's buried opposite from, I guess, all the men.
Yeah.
Right here's one of those mining buckets.
Almost touch it.
Yeah.
Almost touch it. I would zip line down this thing. I'm not
Good
afraid
luck.
of heights. I'm not afraid of heights. I got this.
You gotta be afraid of heights. You gotta be afraid of that old ass cable.
My bucket will end up like that one straight ahead. Right there. Dumping me out.
Alright, so we're all the way down here at the bottom. There's one lonely, lonesome one there. Homer.
In memory of the 19th century Chinese residents of Pioche. This plaque is placed by the Lawrence family.
I guess that's a memorial for the Chinese that mined out here during that time. So I suppose that we're standing on a burial ground here that doesn't have any markers. Anyone that was killed out here?
Give us a name.
Oh, that bird just almost flew right in my face.
Do you have something to say?
You talk to us through this. What's your name?
How many of us do you see here? Come on, you can come through and tell us. Are you trying to say something? I guess none of you want to talk.
Got an anthill right on top of there.
Let's see if the gentleman that was shot 5 times will come through and talk to us. Well, I wouldn't say gentleman.
Shot by officers 5 times. John Bass, are you here with us?
Almost blew me over.
All right, we're going to leave. Just wanted to stop in and check this area out. All right, that's about it, guys. Nothing's coming through. It's extremely windy, so we're going to hop off here and we're going to go get ready for our investigation tonight.
Hopefully the wind will die down. I mean,